Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enter into maintenance mode on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to device care. Go to device care and here select maintenance mode. And turn on this button. Turn on and now click on restart and it will be creating lock, and this normally takes around 2 minutes. After the lock is created, your phone will restart in maintenance mode and you can safely hand over your phone for maintenance. Okay, just wait. Creating lock. It will take around 2 minutes. Just wait. I am waiting. Still I am waiting. Yes, phone is now restarting. Just wait. Samsung Galaxy logo appears. Just wait. Your phone is now switching to maintenance mode. Yes, your phone is in maintenance mode and it is also written in the bottom left corner. See here. So in this way you can easily enter into maintenance mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.